Hi everyone, Judy here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be talking about the last part of common expressions in Bisaya. I would like to say thank you to Jetol who have requested this lesson. So if you have any suggestion, just comment in the comment section below and I will put that in my list for next year's lessons. Let's proceed with our lessons. The 31, we have wala ka nalipong, wala ka nalipong, or wa ka nalipong. Wa or wala means nothing. Ka is you. Nalipong, dizzy. Not literally. Are you sure about that? Or do you know what you're saying or talking about? What kind of lipong? Okay. Next, 32. Shakuy. Shakuy. Shakuy is a very common local pastry loved by a lot of Filipino. Some locals would use this instead than using other foul expression. Example, Shakuy way kamay. Shakuy with no sugar. Okay, shakuy is usually has sugar. Kamay is actually sugar. It's brown sugar. But usually nowadays shakuy it's coated with white sugar. Okay. Next, number 33. Idula or idol. Idula or idol means I idolize you because you're awesome, handsome, pretty, cool, etc. When someone uses this expression to you, that means that person thinks you are awesome or handsome, pretty, all the positive adjective that could be given to you. Next, 34. Asa ko tuo. Asa ko tuo. Asa means where. Ko is me or I. Tuo is believe. Actually, this is a shortcut of asa ko mo tuo. Asa ko mo tuo means it's like, do you think I will believe that? Or do you think I will believe you? It's not literal that where will I believe you? Not like that. It's more like try to convince me if I will really believe you. Do you think I will really believe you? Okay, asa ko tuo or asa ko mo tuo. Okay, there's an example here. Okay, this is a conversation between Dudong and Inday. Dudong said, Day, nakadaog ko sa luto. Day, I won the lottery. And then Inday said, Atik, asa ko too? So atik has been discussed in the previous lesson. And then, atik asa ko too means, yeah, right, as if I will believe you. Maybe Inday doesn't really believe Dudong because Dudong doesn't bet in the lottery. So that is asa ko too. Next, 35. Ikaw ray kabalo. Ikaw ray kabalo. Ikaw means you. Ra is only. Kabalo means no. Okay? Means, this phrase means you think you're the only one who knows how. So we usually say this when we are also showing off to the opponent that we also know how to do it. Or we also have our own strategy. It also means you're the only one who knows this. It's like, yeah, do you think you're the only one who knows this? We also have our own ideas, something like that. So this phrase is common during competitions, like that. 36. Ahaka, ahaka, or giahak, giahak. It means that something just went wrong or undesirable. It's like what the in English. Okay, what the heck? Something like that. What the? So example, hastang ahaka. What the hell? Okay, this is sort of like that. But not literally what the hell, okay? So hastang ahaka is like something really happened that is undesirable, or when the person did something wrong, okay? Or if you commit a mistake, you say ahaka, okay, ahak. Yeah. Okay, next, 37. Hi, salamat means hi, thank you. It's a feeling of relief. Okay, it's a feeling of relief. Like when doing overtime work, for example, hi, salamat, nahuman ra jud. Hi, thank God, it's done. It's done. Nahuman means done. Ra and jud added for emphasis. Ra is also added to emphasize that something is present only or done. Okay? Hi is equivalent to sigh in English, feeling of relief or annoyance. Okay? 38. Shudi abas. Shudi abas. So this is a slang word coming from the LGBT community. Okay? Shudi means no or don't. Okay? And then abas is actually a reverse of saba, which means noisy. Shudi abas, that means don't be noisy or keep quiet or keep it a secret. Shudi abas. Okay, this is very common with the youngsters. Okay, number 39. Aig paulark. Okay, another slang word coming from LGBT community. Aig is a shortcut of ayaw og, which means don't. Olark is a reverse word of claro, which means obvious or clear. Okay, this phrase means don't be too obvious. Okay, the last but not the least, number 40, fire means fire, like to shoot or go. Fire. Okay, fire. Those are the 40 common Bisaya expressions. There are still a lot out there, guys. I think it's more than 100, and every year there are new words coming out. Okay, and it is usually popularized by the young ones, the youngsters. Okay, so again, I just want to say thank you for being with me in this 4-week series all about common expressions. If you haven't gone to my website, www.cebuano101.com, just go there to learn more about the Bisaya, wherein you can test yourself, you can download audios, you can watch my videos and everything else. There are a lot there. Okay, before the year ends, I would like you guys to send me questions. So I'm planning to make a Q&A session with you guys. So if you have any questions, anything, just about anything, questions about me, personal questions, or questions about my channel, or whatever you think you want to ask me, just comment in the comment section below. I will try to collate it and create a video before the year ends. Thank you so much again, guys. Thank you for spending your precious time with me today. Bye-bye.